Empress Madani sends powerful message to Queen Naomi at Agodi prison. My people, yes, Madani, Kabiyesi's lover, according to the information we are hearing. Yeah, which we heard Kabiyesi almost married, and Kabiyesi later on did not marry her because of one thing or the other. She has sent a message to Queen Naomi, indicating to Queen Naomi that she is a very strong woman. Yes, we heard she told Queen Naomi that she is a very strong woman, and that what she will do this time when she come out from the prison is to spare not the people that made her to be inside there. Yes, my people, we heard she told olori Naomi, come out and fight your enemies. Stop forgiving. Stop feeling reluctant over your general well-being. Take care of yourself, your body, your soul. Anybody that insists that you are not going to drink water and keep cup in peace, then do not let that person drink water and keep cup. You should be able to fight your enemies and deal seriously with them. So, when Naomi was shocked to see that kind of message from Empress Madani, because to the best of our knowledge, she never ever thought that one day that Empress Madani will even send her message, not to talk more of reaching out to her in her difficult times. So Empress Madani sent Queen Naomi to deal with those who put her in such situation she found herself. That forgiveness is not every time. That if she keeps forgiving, then she will not get justice. That the earlier she fights those who fight her, the better for her. No be small thing, my people. Who could ever think that Empress Madani would come out to give Queen Naomi this kind of message? We have heard severally of how Kabiyesi and Madani were running things together, and it didn't just end well. So Queen Naomi or anybody would expect that in their widest imagination that Madani would never ever come close to olori Naomi. So, as we are hearing the information as it's reaching us, Queen Naomi also couldn't believe what Madani just sent her. We all know Queen Naomi is such a person who does not take any revenge serious. She does not revenge. She does not try to harm or hurt back. Yes, she always try in her best way to see that everybody is at peace, including herself. That even if you hurt her 10 times in a day, she would not retaliate. and she would not want to do back. That is the kind of person she is. But for Madani to send her this kind of message, Madani already knew that she has overtried. So Madani is already taking pity for her. Yes, Madani is already pitying her because Madani must have heard her story. She must have known her lifestyle. I know that she is not such a person who could just revenge anybody that did her bad. So I don't know if Queen Naomi is going to take this advice or what she is going to do concerning this advice that Madani gave her. Because to the best of my knowledge, if I should talk, I would say Madani have no right whatsoever to advise olori Naomi, since he's olori Naomi's husband's side chick. Because olori Naomi is a quiet person, that is why anyone could just come and open mouth and advise her. The other time, it was Ooni's ex-wife advising her. Anybody will just come and open mouth and advise her because she's not a troublemaker. She's a very free person. Now they feel me. So, if you would advise olori Naomi, would you say Naomi should do exactly what Madani said? Or would you say Queen Naomi should just keep quiet and allow karma to work? Or would you say Naomi should take action like Madani say? As she come out, let her deal with all of them who put her into such mess that she is. Remember, Madani has no right in whatsoever to advise olori Naomi. I don't even know what gave her the audacity to even start advising olori Naomi. Madani should be on her lane. Yes, she should be on her lane and never trouble Naomi. To the best of my knowledge. So, my people, I don't know what will be your opinion. Make you shook mouth for this matter. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget that all these are alleged information. I will be back.